Hi everyone. This is Trina, and I just wanted to do a really quick video to show all of the parents how to navigate the technology and find the assignments. And so when you're in, I think your Class Dojo looks different than mine, but you should have messages in Class Story and portfolios on yours. So you all know how to find messages. I know that. If you go to Class Story, in Class Story, you can see this is where I will post assignments. I posted all the links here to the different meetings to make it easier. So this is the morning meeting link for me. This is the math Zoom link for me, and this is Lisa's reading Zoom link. So you just click on the link. If you click on the link, you shouldn't need a password. So you just click it, it opens up the Zoom, and you click open in Zoom. Um, if you use the meeting ID and the password, it's right there. So when I go from Class Story, I click on Portfolios, and Portfolios will look like, I'm sure it will look different for you. You will only see your student, and I'm showing you this on this screen because I'm covering up the usernames and passwords of Alejandra because I'm using hers. So if you click on your child or look at your child's portfolios, there will be all of your students' passwords. I put them in there. And then if you click on this one, it's another message, and I'm going to show you what that looks like in Class Dojo. Okay, so in Class Dojo, if you click on that other file that I had in there, then you'll see that your child's schedule is right there. And then right here it says download file, and if I were to click that, then the PowerPoint that I created for this week's assignments will be there. And so I also want to show you that I don't want to close that. If I were to go from portfolios back to Class Story, I also posted the digital assignments here. So if I click on that, it's going to download, and then I can open that downloaded PowerPoint. And if you go through, if you look at Tuesday, next week, Monday through Friday should look very similar. The only difference is that on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you will only have this Epic and Raz Kids for reading. But on Thursday and Friday, you'll see over here, these are podcasts that your student can listen to during independent reading if they would rather listen to a podcast than read on Epic or Raz Kids. That's their choice. I want to show you right down here in the very bottom, there's this little symbol. When you hover over it, it says slideshow. If I click on it, it goes into presentation mode. And you have to be in presentation mode for these links to work. And if you see every time I hover over a picture or an underlined word that has a link, it turns into a hand. So this is the Math Zoom link. If I click on it, it's going to take me to the Math Zoom. And I can open the Zoom. Then I have, this is the morning meeting Zoom. Takes me right to the morning meeting Zoom. This is Lisa's reading Zoom, and it will take you to her reading Zoom. Then all of the pictures, or most of the pictures, are clickable. Oh, the read aloud, I'm just going to post it right here in Class Story. So if I click on the read aloud, you might have to scroll down a little bit, but you'll see read aloud. If you click on this YouTube video, that is me reading a story to the students. Then you answer the questions. The students can answer the questions. Right here you'll see I have 3 students who answered the questions. Or you can click on Flipgrid. And if you go to Flipgrid, you log in with Microsoft. So I'm going to use my Microsoft account. That's the username and password that I gave you. And then you're going to scroll down. And as you can see, students have created videos answering the questions. You just click the plus symbol, and you click the video record, and then you follow the steps to record a video and do a little selfie. So students can either type their answers or they can do a video. It's up to them. Also, to go to Khan Academy, students click here. It takes them right to Khan Academy where they will put in their username and password. In Khan Academy, well, I guess because I'm already logged in, it took me there. But within Khan Academy, I assigned assignments based on each student's MAP scores. So they need to just do those assignments that I assigned. They will do Khan Academy for 20 minutes a day, independent reading, and then on Thursday and Friday, they could also do a podcast. So here you click on this one, it takes you to Raz Kids, and my teacher username is tkleinhen0. Sorry, I'm talking so fast. Or the Epic login, if you want to go to the Epic login. And then let's see, these are different podcasts. So if a student wants to listen to a podcast, they can listen to Story Pirates. They go to Story Pirates, they scroll down. You have to scroll down sometimes to find the podcasts, but they have a choice of any of these stories that they want to listen to. Or maybe they want to do Wow in the World. They have different podcasts in Wow in the World. So if they scroll down, they can choose from all of these, like Two What's in a Wow Heartbeats. And so they can listen to this one. It's their choice. So the days will look the same. Your child will go to a morning meeting. They will go to a meeting with Mrs. Richards to read together. They will do a math Zoom. They will spend 20 minutes on Khan Academy practicing their math on their own. They will read for 20 minutes in Epic or Raz Kids, or if they have a book they want to read on their own. And on Thursday and Friday, they can also listen to podcasts. And then I have my read aloud that I will read to them, and they will answer the questions. So every day is going to look the same. Once we get used to the schedule, then I think it will be much easier. So I hope that helps, and I look forward to seeing everyone tomorrow.